Okay, I'm gonna show you guys a video of how to take the Mighty Jet pump apart, because obviously there's not one damn video out there, and I just broke mine, so I'm just gonna show this video for educational purposes so nobody else does this dumb shit. But basically, I have not taken this off since I've had this pump in a whole year. Only reason because I didn't believe this shit came apart, really, because this shit let me show you. It does not come apart like this. It comes apart, you turn the shit. No fucking instructions included.